Okay, we're at a friend's house and there's the air conditioner. Unsure if it's a heat pump or not. It is a Willamson. I never heard of this brand. This is a central ducted system. This is very old. Here's the sticker. I think it's faded, but it's Willamson. Model 7420-25-2035. I think this is from 1972, according to the serial number. But the serial is 7204042. And there's another, what does it have? It don't show what refrigerant it has. I don't know if this is a heat pump or not, but it's very, very old. Very, very old, and I can't quite see back here. It's a very old Willamson. It's either a 3.5 or a 2-ton. I don't honestly know. It don't say the size. There's the hookups, but this thing is old. It's either from 1972. I think this is a 3.5 ton. So yeah, very, very, very old. Anyways, over and out.